So on my shopping trip today through the mall, I'll be very happy also to go ahead and spend some money because I save technically. Everything's a lot cheaper right now. But to break that down for you, I'm not going to be explaining it because I'm no tax expert. But with me on this broadcast, we'll be running you through what you should be putting in your shopping cart. We have Mr. Ved Jain with us, Mr. Samir Gogia, as well as Professor Agarwal with us. Thank you all, gentlemen, for your time. I know I've ruined your day by bringing you and dragging you to the mall for a shoot, not for your own shopping experience. But I'd love your opening comments first. What do you think of the changes that have been made to the GST structure? For everyone out here, they're thrilled because the festive season has become a lot more festive.
It's a big day, I believe, for the consumers across India, and particularly I can see a lot of people here around in this mall today. And because there's a lot of saving now they are making today with the new GST rate being coming into force. By and large, you will see that 12% rate has been abolished, the items have been shifted to 5%. And many of the 18% items have been shifted to the 5%.
Yeah.
So you are making a net saving of at least 7% on item which were taxable at 12% and which were 18% and 13%, I'm saying it.
Yeah.
And I believe everyone is very happy to make shopping today. Being Navratri day, otherwise it's a good for shopping, otherwise good day. And with the reduction in the rate, because it affects your pocket directly.
Correct.
Say GST is saying if you are buying it, say today for 5,000 rupees, you have been paying 18% GST, so you are paying 900 rupees. And today you are paying 5%, then you are paying 250 rupees. A net saving of 650 rupees, which means 13% saving. This means a lot for a consumer, that's why. And nothing can be better than this. Yesterday, the Prime Minister made a message to the nation, and he says that it's a big day for consumer. And what he has used, in Hindi we use the word Atithi Devo Bhaya. He said Nagrik Devo Bhaya, citizen Devo Bhaya, meaning thereby this GST 2.0 reform is meant for the citizen, common man.